Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to compare the always-on display features between the Realme UI 2.0 versus the Realme UI 1.0. So right now, I do have the Realme X7 Pro and the Realme X2 Pro device, as you can see, friends. And I'm using the beta version of the Realme UI 2.0. So that's why I did receive this kind of update as an early access. And for the stable version, you need to wait for a couple of weeks. So definitely, you will receive the Realme UI 2.0. So don't worry, friends. And make sure to check the links in description, friends, for the playlist of this Realme UI 2.0. This playlist will give you the clear idea about all the features what got added and what are the things to know, even regarding the battery life as well. I'll try to upload the video, so make sure to check the playlist for more details. So let's begin the comparison regarding the always on display. So this is what I'm waiting for the very long time. The always on display functionality in the Realme phones are not good at all when you compare with the MI and the Redmi phone. That is for the previously, but right now, so with the latest update, there has been very much amazing changes, friends, which I did not even expect to be happening. But few of the changes were really shocking, that it's not even present in the MI and any other always on display. This is only present in the Realme's always on display functionality. Few of the tips and tricks I'll try to show you in this video, so make sure to watch till end of the video to get to know what is that amazing feature. So right now, as you can see, friends, both phones are having the always on display. So let me try to open quickly what options you are getting. So these are the always on display functionalities, and in this Realme UI 1.0, you do have just the basic options, so where you can select different clock, date, battery, notification. And if you click on the clock, you do get I think 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 3 plus 6 9, so total 9 you will be getting the different always on display clocks, as you can see. So total 9 you got, that's it. So you'll be only getting this kind of different digital clock and the analog clock. So that used to be the case before, but right now that everything has been changed in the latest Realme UI update, so which is really good and very much shocking as well. The first reason why I am saying it's good, because, so let me try to quickly show you. So there is an option for the custom pattern. So let me tap on this one, friends. So this is a custom pattern where you can create your own custom patterns by just drawing. So let me try to quickly start how to draw and how to set as well. So let me take a pen. So as you can see, friends, you can actually draw or any lines you want. So let me try to save or what kind of shape you want. I'll try to keep the line as a straight line. So let me try to draw the line. So let me clear everything, and I'm keeping the straight line. So I can write my name like Sai. As you can see, friends, I can write my name Sai, and I can still save. This is how it looks, and even I can change the colors of everything always on display, how it looks, as you can see here. If you want, you can have the analog clock or digital clock as well. I think analog clock is not available at the moment. Analog clock is available, as you can see, friends. You can have the both options. So this is a really amazing feature, so where you can create your own custom always on display functionality. I mean, this is the one which I did not even expect, friends, to be happening in the Realme phone, but it's a really very much useful feature. You can draw the star, and you can just click next, and you can see, as you can see, how it looks. So this is a way the new always on display works. So let me try to quickly show you by enabling the always on display functionality. So going back, so let me apply. So I did enable the always on display functionality, so you should be able to see it, as you can see, friends. So you did see this kind of always on display functionality. As soon as the always on display functionality got, you can see. So this is how it looks. It looks really cool, having this kind of unique kind of designs and unique patterns. So this makes next level customization available in this Realme phone. So this is the most advanced feature, friends, I did not expect. Next is random patterns you'll be getting here. It's different patterns. So where you can select the color of the text, and you can even add the analog clock as well, and date, info, battery, notification you can have there, as you can see. So these are how you can customize. So these are really good useful patterns you are getting. So a couple of patterns and text only, so you can write your own text, and this is how the text looks. So let me to enable. So as you can see, so this is how it looks, the text. So overall it's a really good features. Finally the Realme is on the track by updating like this. And text and the image, so if you want, even you can add your own image as well from the gallery. Still you have that option in this phone. So what I'll try to do, I'll try to compare with the Mi 11's always on display versus this phone, so you can actually see which always on display from the Mi or from the Realme, which is better. So you do have the analog clocks of various items. I think close to 6 items you do have analog clocks, and digital clocks also. All the clocks which are present in the Realme UI 1.0 will be there in this Realme UI 2.0. So these are the few details, friends, about the always on display functionality, and everything works really good in this phone without any problem, this always on display functionality. So finally this Realme UI 2.0 is really amazing, friends. So in the beginning I did not expect so many features to be added, but later on they did try to add one by one. So it makes really advanced settings and advanced feature you got in this phone. So for more interesting videos, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, friends. As always, don't forget to check the links in description for exactly what live wallpapers I'm using in all of my smartphones. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.